Dipti keldi bir oydan keyin Indiyadan. Qanday
Hajmola. It's called hajmola.
hajmola degan
Hajmola.
zot.
Try once.
O'ta bir pripravani chiqib turdi do'stlar.
Don't bite it.
No, just
Lick it. Yeah, like a candy.
Dance Colombia.
It's same with one food. I don't know.
I don't know. It's good for digestion.
Oh, no
Yeah.
foydali ekan. It's salty.
Yeah. There's no sugar inside.
Salt
Black
black
salt.
Black salt. Oh, it's like cooked our. You try.
Yeah, no. It's very different. This has no milk. It's just Indian spices.
Qanday turi bor ekan? But can I add it to soup, for example?
Yeah, you can. It
Tamakka
is very
qo'shganda
tasty if you add in a lemon, in a lemonade.
Oh,
Right.
lemonade qada qo'shasың, короче, boy so'rtda jeysin. Do you like it like this or do you like use to food?
No, not in food. Just like a candy.
And this one, hajmola imli.
Yeah, in Hindi.
It's like this one also.
Yeah, similar, but
Pritarna isi barda. And you can eat it every day in India.
Yeah.
Indian people like it.
yeah.
It's like pork. And Kazakh people like it. Every day eat it. But another nationality don't understand it. For me,
no
it's
milk.
so spicy. Thank you, Dipti.